What's up, guys? It's your boy Brian, Amazing RC. We're out at the church right now. I've got my extremely inexpensive HSP out here. Now, stock gearing. All I did was throw a 3S battery inside this car. Everything else is completely stock. Threw on some foam wheels, and I tell you, I'd rather have the rubber that came with the car. I couldn't even get past a half a trigger pull. I want to see what the top end speed is on this, and I'll tell you right now, we didn't get to find out today, but we did have a lot of fun. Here's exactly what went down. We'll get you guys another video very, very soon. Appreciate all your support. Brian, Amazing RC. We'll see you again real soon.
All right, let's do it.